Hi, I don't know if if you've done some homework, then you've already been using the old, I call it the old online editor. But when I was basically preparing for chapter 6, I realized that we do have to have a local editor on our system in order to do reads and writes of files. So what I have done is I have this new install PyCharmEDU IDE. IDE is an integrated development environment for Python. And it's basically, here's a link to it. So the nice thing is it runs turtle applications as well. So we don't have to use that turtle. We can use all of that turtle code natively. You could just open it right up in this new feature without any changes, and it runs just fine. So when you click here, we're going to use the latest version. So we use this 2022.2. You're going to grab the operating system that you're currently using. You'll click on that, you'll download it, and you'll install it. Okay. Now, when you open it, it's going to ask if you're a student or if you're the educator, or I should say, if you're the learner or the educator, make sure you select learner. It gives a lot more helpful things as a student. So make sure you select that. And I have it right here. First time opening, select learner. Once you open it, it takes a few minutes to open. But anyways, this is more of an environment you're going to have in a real world situation. You're going to have some kind of a local application for you to modify, create, whatever you need to do for Python. This is the EDU version. It's the free version. There's a lot of things you can't do. They have it restricted. Like I don't think you can. You can't like do applications. And anyways, it's very restrictive. So once this new screen comes up, now once you have gone in classwork and downloaded all the source files, you should have those all on your computer. You're going to click on this open right here when it first comes up. And you're going to go to that drive where all of those source files are stored. And mine's already set because I've been here before. So, and they all end in .py, so it can only open things in py. So there I can go ahead and click on and open a file. And if it doesn't maximize, it might help to maximize it so it takes up the entire screen. But it comes up, and over here on the left-hand side, it's got your projects. And we're going to click on, so it opens up this division. Now, down here, it's looking for enter virtual environments, and it's doing some of the things. It's not ready to run yet. Now it's indexing up here. What I'm looking for is a little green triangle to appear right here. Once that green triangle appears, it's ready to go. Down here at the bottom, once it runs, it's going to show it's actually going to show the run of the stuff right there. So we can see now I can click on this. I can click directly on that, and it's going to run this computer program. So here it's asking for some input, so that should show up down here now in our console window. I come down here and I can type in a number. And basically it gives me, in this particular case, a quotient. Okay? So, PyCharmEDU. We're going to start using that from this point forward. It's going to be a lot better. Again, we can click on File, Open, and it should stay in that folder you were in. Should. No. You might have to reopen it again. But once it's there, it stays there. Okay. So, PyCharmEDU. If you have any problems installing it, give me a call. We'll see if we can work through it. Okay. We'll see you at class.